In this lesson, I'll show you how to calculate the area of trapezium. And in here, we define A as the short side and A with the value 5.5. And B with the value 8.6. And B is the length of the long side of the trapezium. Then we define H with the value 7. And here H is the height of the trapezium. So now we define A as the area of trapezium. So now we will consider how to calculate. And according to the rule of the area of trapezium, we will write the rule to calculate the area of the trapezium. So the rule of calculate the area of trapezium is the length of short side plus the length of long side and multiply the height of the trapezium and divide by 2. So this is the formula for calculate the area of trapezium. So to do as the rule, we will have the area A equal the short side plus the long side A plus B and multiply the height H and divide by 2. So now we will display the value of the length of short side and the value of length of long side and the value of height of the trapezium. So we can write like we have the condition of the trapezium as below. Then we will display this value or this condition to display in the console, which make the other people to understand. So now we are displaying the short side, the length of short side, and then we will display and with the explaining of the length of a long side. Now we are displaying the value of height of the trapezium with explaining. So, and the last one, we will display the area. Area equal question mark. Why? Because this is the thing that we want to calculate. So we haven't known yet the value of the area of trapezium. So we write area equal question mark. And the unit of the each side, it could be centimeter. So the area should be square centimeter. And this line we just want to enter to the new line before the next print. When we enter to the new line, it's easy to look at the passage when it is played on the console. So now we are explain that to calculate the area of trapezium. So to calculate with the explaining, we can write area equal. We write as the formula. The length of short side plus the length of long side and multiply with the height and multiply with 0.5 or divide by 0 by 2. So outside the quotation, we should write the variable. In here, A for the number 0 and B for the number 1 and H for the number 2. And 132 is the constant. So it doesn't need any variable. So now when we display this to the console, so now you see that we display to the console will be like this. And it's not finished yet, so we will continue to calculate the area to be until it finish. In here we continue to write from the above like that. What will be the next for the result of calculation? So we calculate inside the long side plus the short side with the one value and plus and multiply the height and multiply 0.5. And in here outside the quotation we'll write so 0 for a plus b, which means that the length of short side plus the length of long side, and the next value for 1 is for the height of the trapezium. So the next slides we will explain about a plus b and multiply the height and multiply 1. So this means that we just have only one value. So in here we write inside the bracket with 0 and divide 2. So in here we write a plus b multiply h. So the value to replace the 0 will be a plus b multiply h. And the next slide we will display the result of the calculation. So we just write area equal, and inside the brackets we will write 0, and outside the quotation we just write one variable, that is a, because a is the result of the calculation of the area of trapezium, and we can write the unit of the area such as square centimeter. So this is the result of the calculation. So will be like this. You see that area equal to make more understand. We can write more like to explain our program. So when other people look at our program, they can understand that what is this. So to make it easily to read the result, we can write just write to enter the new line. So now we explain the answer, right? So our answer for the area, we can write the area of trapezium is, and write in the bracket we write 0, and we can write square centimeter, and outside the quotation we write the variable a. So after that we want to make a new line, so we just write this statement, new line. So now we run the program. So after the running the program, you'll see that the result will be like this, right? So for the place that we make the new line, if you have the space and then print, right? So in this passage we have 3 spaces, and we see that the answer, right, the area of trapezium is 49 point.